Reheating ham in the microwave, retaining moisture.
Hello, food enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of ham, specifically discussing whether we can reheat ham in a microwave and still retain its moisture. A delicious ham is cherished for its juiciness, so let's get it right.
Can I reheat ham in a microwave?
Absolutely, you can. Microwaves are convenient and quick, making them a popular choice for reheating. However, the real challenge lies in keeping the ham moist. When not done correctly, microwaves can dry out food, which is not what we want for our delectable ham.
How to retain the ham's moisture?
1. Portion size. Instead of reheating the entire ham, cut the amount you plan to eat. Small portions heat more evenly and quickly, reducing the chance of drying out. 2. Use a microwave-safe cover. Covering your ham with a microwave-safe lid or wrap traps steam, which aids in keeping the moisture locked in. Just ensure there's a small vent for steam to escape to prevent it from getting soggy. 3. Heat on medium power. Instead of blasting your ham at full power, go for a medium setting. This ensures the inside gets warm without the exterior drying out. 4. Add a splash of water or broth. Before microwaving, sprinkle a bit of water or broth over the ham. This will create additional steam, further ensuring the ham stays juicy. 5. Check regularly. Especially if you're not sure about the exact timing, check the ham at intervals. This prevents overcooking. With these tips in hand, you're ready to enjoy reheated ham that's as succulent as the day it was cooked. We hope this guide has been helpful. Happy microwaving and enjoy your meal.